Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried streaming your favorite show on your smart TV only to find it blocked or restricted, you need a VPN. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to install a VPN on your smart TV. Whether you're using Samsung, LG, Sony, or an Amazon Fire Stick, so you can unlock global content, stream securely, and protect your privacy. And as always, I've included a special link in the description with my recommended VPN and an exclusive discount so you can get started at the lowest price. Let's get into it. Step 1, choose a VPN that works with smart TVs. Not every VPN supports smart TVs, so choose one with native apps for Android TV and compatibility with routers and streaming devices. My top recommendation is NordVPN or ExpressVPN because they have super fast servers, apps for most TVs, and work with Netflix, Disney Plus, and other streaming platforms. Click the link in my description for the best deal available right now. Step 2, install the VPN app for Android TVs and Fire Stick. If you have an Android TV, like Sony or newer LG models, just go to the Google Play Store, search for your VPN, e.g. NordVPN, download it, log in, and connect to a server of your choice. For Amazon Fire Stick, go to the Amazon App Store, search for the VPN, install it, open the app, log in, and connect. Once connected, your streaming apps, Netflix, Hulu, Prime Video, will work as if you're in the location of the VPN server you chose. Step 3, for non-Android TVs, Samsung, older LG, Roku, these TVs don't support VPN apps natively. Here are two easy options. Set up VPN on your router. This routes all traffic through the VPN automatically, protecting every device connected to your Wi-Fi. Your VPN provider will have step-by-step guides for your router model. Use Smart DNS. Many VPNs offer a Smart DNS feature you can configure directly on your TV's network settings. This unblocks streaming services without installing an app. Step 4, test your connection. Open Netflix, YouTube, or Disney Plus, and check if you now see content libraries from the country you selected. If it works, you're good to go. Pro tip, always choose a server optimized for streaming to avoid buffering. And if one server doesn't work, switch to another spot. VPN providers usually have multiple options. So that's it. A quick and easy way to install and use a VPN on your Samsung TV, LG TV, Sony TV, or Amazon Fire Stick. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials and VPN tips, and comment below telling me what country's Netflix library you're unlocking. I'd love to know. Remember, installing a VPN on your smart TV doesn't just unblock content, it also keeps your data private and secure. Use the link in my description to grab the best VPN deal and start streaming without limits today.